Hi class, I just wanted to make a quick video because I saw that there was some confusion and frustration about the Sumo Paint website. Many students created accounts in order to save the image, but you actually didn't have to do that. So I just wanted to walk you through the steps to show you. So if you go to sumopaint.com, you click try online and you scroll down to the bottom. Here you might see activate flash player. You might have to click on that. If not, it'll already be open for you just like you see here if you have that enabled on your menu. Then you just go ahead and play around with your creation, and I'm just going to leave it just like that. Then you just go to File, Save to My Computer. We'll name it Sumo Creation. Click Save, Desktop, Save, and that's it. When I go to my desktop, there it is. So I'm not sure what happened on other people's computers or browsers. If you still have further questions, please contact me. But in fact, go back to Sumo Paint and see if you're able to do it the way I just showed you without creating the account. Thanks so much and enjoy your week.